everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to know if someone blocked you on Facebook. Let's begin the video. I start by searching for the person's profile using the Facebook search bar. If their profile doesn't show up in the search result, it could be a sign they have blocked you. However, keep in mind that they might have deactivated their account. Next, go to your friend list and search for their name. If they were previously your friend but no longer appear on the list, they may have either blocked you or unfriended you. Another thing you can do is open Facebook Messenger and search for your previous conversation with the person. If their profile picture has turned into the default gray icon and you can no longer click on their name, they have blocked you. And there you have it. Now you know how to tell if someone has blocked you on Facebook. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to Initial Solution for more quick tech tips.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.